Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your HP DeskJet 2752 printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for HP DeskJet 2752 support drivers. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be an HP support page that says HP DeskJet 2752 all-in-one printer software and drivers. Go ahead and open that up. And now on this page, you want to scroll down and you want to expand the installation software and full/basic driver support and select the easy start printing or printer setup software. Select download. And then once it's downloaded to your computer, you do want to go ahead and open up that file. And give that a moment. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt, and let us proceed here. And then just follow along with the on-screen directions of installing the printer, and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.